up everyone, welcome back to Spaces We Love, and I am your host B1 Boy. As usual, I am here to show you one of the best spaces in Westlands Nairobi, Kenya. This development consists of 2-bedroom and 3 bedrooms located along Mogotio Road in Westlands, and I am here to show you some of the best features that we have, including a heated swimming pool at the rooftop. We have a gym, a garden area, and also a cafeteria right here. One thing that I really like about this development is the fact that the developer was so keen on workmanship. I mean, everything that they have provided here, they have ensured that you have a modern lifestyle right here, and that you get everything that you need when you are in the premises. It is good to note that whenever you are buying an apartment in Nairobi, it is so important for you to consider who the developer is and the reputation in the market. For example, this developer has done several developments that have been delivered successfully, and the quality that he has delivered the units in is really good. These houses have been listed by Axis Assets. Please find more information on the description part. I have included a link there as well. We want to thank them together with the developer for allowing us to shoot. Come with me. So right from the door, we have a biometric door feature right here that is able to give access to your visitors with the camera. We have the fingerprint, and we also have a provision where you can just use your key. One thing that I'm really fond about the Chinese developments is that they ensure that every feature, every amenity that they put in the premises is to make sure that you are comfortable and making your life easy. For example, if you look at all the items that the Chinese make, they are simply to make our life easier, and that is really why I'm so fond of every feature that they bring into the house. So once we get inside, we have this kind of like a small foyer right here. You can put your console table right here. I mean, I like the staging of this house. It's kind of minimalistic and also ensures that you see the space that you're buying into. I love this wall. Please note that this wall will not come with the house, but you can request for such a feature to be provided for you, of course, at a very small extra cost. And then I like the fact that you have space where you can just put your dining table. We have, for example, in this house, we have a 4-seater dining table. We have a sliding door heading right into the closed kitchen. You can open it from both sides. So let me get in through this side. We have the kitchen right here. So in the kitchen, we have a 3-burner cooker right here that is going to provide it, and an induction right here. Then we have, of course, a hood extractor right here. They will also provide this double sink. I mean, I like the size of this sink. I like how functionable and good the tap is. I love the switches. They are soft switch, as you can tell, and then I love the way these tiles here complement with the kitchen counter, and of course the tiles and the walls and the cabinets. I mean, see how soft open and closed these are. And of course, we have a light right here. If the camera can just move a little bit closer, we have this is going to be provided to ensure that whenever you are cooking from the kitchen, you see, did you see that? You can switch it off and on. Then on this other side, we have, this is a 3-bedroom plus DSQ that I'm showing you. I mean, we have your laundry area right here, and on my left side is where we have the DSQ, which comes en suite as well. Let me take you through the rest of the house. So right here is where we have the living area, which expands all the way to the balcony, and the fact that this balcony opens up all the way, making sure that you have sufficient lighting. I mean, I love this balcony because the space is big. It can be able to fit a few seats right here where you can just lounge and entertain your friends here, or in the morning if you want to enjoy the sunlight, you can be able to enjoy it from here. I love the fact that they put some green grass carpet right here to make the place just feel a bit cozy and all that. So Getting in the bedrooms, we have this aisle here that is provided. So we have an aisle here, we have a bedroom on this side, then we have a bathroom on this other side, which comes with a shower cubicle, which is ideally going to be used by the guests and anyone who is accessing this room. The other two bedrooms come en suite. We have this bedroom right here. So this is one of the bedrooms that come en suite. So this space here, you can have a small mattress. I think there's a room that I've seen where they've just put a small mattress here. I'll get to show you that. Then you can have some drawers here for extra storage. And I mean, I love how that window curves on the outwards like that, so you can just lounge here. If you're a lover of books, of course, you can be reading your book from this space here as you enjoy the views, especially if you are on the upper floors. So moving on to the master bedroom. So what we have here is the master bedroom, which comes with a balcony, and the balcony is very spacious. I mean, look at this space. I love everything about it. I can sit here literally the whole day and enjoy the views that we have for Westlands. We have the GTC right there, which is literally just a walking distance. I can see the expressway right from here, and I'm telling you, we have some quite developments coming up in Westlands right now. That's where you can hear the noise coming from, and I am looking forward to how Westlands is going to look like in the next few years. So right now, what I say, Nairobi is still under construction. I want to show you this bathroom. This is the master bedroom for the 3-bedroom. I love the fact that they considered to put a window right here. They can open it to get fresh air, and then this space is big enough for you to put a mini jacuzzi right here. I mean, they have provided some nice showers. We have a telephone shower right here, which is so important in every aspect of this house. Whatever you want, you come home, you just want to relax, you want to feel good. And of course, if you realize, everything in this house just speaks good workmanship. I love the sinks. Everything has been done very well. We have a medicine cabinet right here. Oof, I love that. You can put your stuff here. I mean, I am just adoring every space in this house. The toilets, the sink, the colors, the doors, everything has been done really well. So getting into this other 3-bedroom, that is quite my favorite. One thing that I like about it is the fact that they have more provision of storage. I mean, you can see a shoe rack right here, which is really big. It opens from this side. There's another one that opens from this other side. Then they also provide kind of like wine cellar. Yes, a wine cellar right here. Get back on. So come in. I mean, look at that space. We have, of course, a console right here. If I was to take this house, I think I would turn my dining table to face the other side, then arrange my dining seats all around. Then another amazing feature about these 3 bedrooms is that the kitchens come kind of like they are closed. It's a closed kitchen, so you enjoy your privacy, and it's a linear kitchen, meaning you have a longer working space. So extending all the way to the balcony is your living room, and the lighting is so nice. I love the fact that they are going to put gypsum ceiling and of course recessed lights coming in, going round all the way the ceiling. So getting back inside into the living area, we have this TV wall, which is still going to come with the house. I mean, look at how nice it is. Look at how perfect the workmanship is again, and the soft switches that we have right here. The color of the switches is gray, complementing with the tiles down, and of course complementing with the lights that we have and the gypsum ceiling. I love everything about this house, and I cannot wait to show you what we have in the bedroom. So come with me. So coming inside, we have this bathroom that your guest can use, and of course we have a bedroom on this side. So this bedroom does not come en suite. This one does, and it's kind of like a Jack and Jill concept, where you can access the washroom from this side. Once you close the door, we have the wardrobes that are going to be provided here, and I think this bedroom is quite spacious. It can fit perfectly a 4x6 bed, which is perfect for your kids' bedroom. I like the window, provides good lighting. Now let's go to the master bedroom. Now welcome to the master bedroom. Comes en suite, very spacious. I like the shower cubicle right here, closes very nicely. Again, medicine cabinet provided for you right here, so nice. Then we have doors, more storage space opening up right here, and your toilet on that other side, and of course a window on that side. So do you remember the space that I was talking about? This is where you can have your mattress, a small mattress right here. I mean, you can even have some drawers put right here for more storage space. I like the window. I can sit here literally every morning just to enjoy the beautiful Nairobi skyline views. And on that other side, we have the wardrobes provided. This is a king size bed, actually fits very well together with the side tables. I like these downlighters right here, and the gypsum ceiling with the recessed lights, giving the room that elegant finish that you really need for a home. So coming straight from the laundry area, we have a washing and a dryer machine provided for you. Then of course we have this nice Fose tap provided for you. I mean, I like everything about this house. You will find a water filter right here. Make sure that you drink clean water all the time, and that is why we have this tap provided for you here. You can either set it on getting warm water or cold water if that's what you like. I like the lights right here stretching all the way to the end of this beautiful linear kitchen. I like linear kitchens because they provide more working space for me, and they are less congested, and that is something that you like when you are looking to get your home. So every space here has been provided for your storage, and you can put more of your items here, or on the upper side we have a nice kitchen provided, nice kitchen fittings, and on this other side we have your kitchen pantry where you can fit a monthly shopping. If you are like me, I would store my warus here. I mean, I would have my flour right here. I like shopping, so this will really be ideal for me. So until the next time, I think I will see you on the next video. This has been truly an amazing time showing you this house, and if you are interested with either a 2-bedroom or a 3-bedroom, please reach out on the number below, and I will be sure to plan for a personalized site visit for you and show you around Nairobi as well. Please remember, this is Nairobi. Bye bye.